to the Boss's Kitchen. Today we'll be making fish fry. The ingredients for this fry are 10 slices of fish, 4 teaspoons of chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and 150 milliliters of oil. First, put your 10 slices into a bowl, and then add in some chili powder to give it spice. The more chili powder you add, the more spicy it will be. I only added a medium amount because I like it medium spiced. Okay, now that we've added in some chili powder, let's add in some salt. That we've added in our salt, let's mix the fish and the spices. Make sure to mix it really well so that it gets into all the pieces of fish. Otherwise, it'll be uneven, and some of the fish pieces won't have that spice or that salt. Okay, let's leave it to marinate for about 15 minutes, and then I'll come back to you. This is what it should look like right now after we've added the chili powder, the salt, the fish, and mixed it together. Okay, now it's been about 15 minutes. Let's put the fish on the pan and let's fry it. First, let's add the oil to the pan to warm up the pan. Okay, now the pan is warmed up. Let's add in our fish pieces. I'm going to add in my first fish piece. Now let me add in all my other pieces. Okay, now that we've put the fish in the pan, it's been a little while. It should be fried on one side. Now let's flip it over so it's also fried on the other side. Okay, now let's leave this side to fry for a little while, and then I'll come back to you in about 5 minutes. Okay, now it's been about 5 minutes. Let's get our fish out of the pan, out of the oil. Let's put it on our bowl and let's enjoy. But when you're getting your fish out of the pan, out of the oil, make sure to lean it on the side of the pan like that so the oil doesn't come into the bowl with the fish.